Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Lemlist for personalized sequences with deliverability tips, beginner guide step by step clearly. To get started with Lemlist for personalized sequences, first, log in to your Lemlist account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. From the dashboard, click on the Campaigns tab located on the left sidebar. Next, select Create Campaign to begin. You will see an option to choose between an email or a cold outreach campaign. Select the type of campaign you wish to create. Now, enter a name for your campaign in the corresponding field. Click on the Add Recipients button to import your contact list. You can either upload a CSV file or paste your contacts directly. After adding recipients, click on Next to move to the next step. Now, it's time to create your email sequence. Click on Add Email to start crafting your first email. In the subject line, include a personalized touch to capture attention. In the body, use dynamic variables to personalize your message, like first names or company names. After composing your email, you can set a delay for the next email in the sequence. To do this, click on Add Follow-up Email. Repeat the personalization process for each follow-up email in your sequence. Finishing your email sequence, review the content for clarity and engagement. Once satisfied, proceed to the Sending Options section. Here, you can choose your sending domain and set up your email address for sending. To enhance deliverability, consider verifying your domain if you haven't done so already. Make sure to enable DKIM and SPF records for better email authentication. Next, conduct a spam test to analyze the deliverability of your sequence. After your spam test, you can adjust your emails based on the results to improve quality. On the final review page, ensure everything is in order before launching your campaign. Once ready, click on the Launch Campaign button to set your sequence live. To monitor the performance, return to the dashboard and navigate to the campaign's analytics. Here, you can track open rates, click rates, and responses for your personalized sequences. Regularly check these metrics to refine your future campaigns for optimal results. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.